When a baby drinks milk, a delicate digestive process begins inside their tiny body. The milk travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach, where digestion slowly starts. But in young babies, the muscle between the stomach and esophagus is still developing. Because of this, milk can sometimes flow back upward instead of staying inside the stomach. If the baby drinks too quickly, swallows air, or moves after feeding, pressure inside the stomach increases. This can cause a small amount of milk to come back up through the mouth. This is called spit up. In most cases, spit up is very common and usually harmless. As babies grow, their digestive muscles become stronger and more developed. Keeping the baby upright after feeding and gentle burping can help reduce spit up and keep the baby more comfortable.